the statistics you mentioned, 44% of those multiple chronic conditions are in the veteran community. And from the Journal of American Medicine, that more or less, if you look at the last 3 years, and the numbers can be slightly debated, let's say it's 5 years. But in the last 5 years, more veterans have died from their chronic conditions than all of the battlefields in the history of the United States of America.
Wow.
That is terrifying. So unfortunately, I think as frogs in a pot, right, is whether we're, they're your neighbors, your family members, we almost accept the fact that everyone's got some semblance of chronic condition. The program we're putting forward for 12 months for veterans called the Veteran Health Pack is focused on 18 different chronic conditions, which is the vast majority, right? And it's the concept of you got to start somewhere.
Put that coffee down. Coffee's for closers only.
Welcome to Coffee with Closers, a podcast produced by Pinkston, a strategic communications firm headquartered just outside Washington, D.C. We talk with some of America's most influential closers, from industry-leading CEOs to best-selling authors, professional athletes, entrepreneurs, and everyone in between. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, as we take you on an informative, thought-provoking, and highly entertaining journey into the lives of highly successful, driven, and forward-thinking disruptors who are making a lasting impact in their field and on society. Joining us on this week's episode of Coffee with Closers is Vince Profit, the founder and president of Spartan Medical, a veteran-owned and operated medical solutions company which has been recognized as one of the fastest-growing private companies both nationally and in Greater Washington. A former Air Force intelligence officer, Mr. Profit discusses a critical mission he is on today, working to combat the chronic disease epidemic in America, which is a particularly acute problem impacting our nation's veterans. He also discusses how Spartan Medical is working to address our mental health crisis on college and university campuses across the country. We also discuss some of the greatest challenges facing the U.S. healthcare system today, as well as lessons learned in leadership from his time in the military that he is putting into practice to help hospitals, other provider organizations, and clinicians improve health outcomes for more people. Vince Profit, welcome to Coffee with Closers. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thanks. Thank you for allowing me to be here.
All right. Well, we got a lot to get to today, so let's jump in.